Hello everyone! Today we are going to cook meatloaf. This is for 4 servings. The ingredients that we are going to need are 250 grams of ground beef, a half of a tomato, medium size, 1 green onion, 6 mushrooms, salt, and aliño completo or another condiment. Aliño completo is a condiment that has a mixture of spices: oregano, garlic, cumin, pepper, coriander, and salt. The first thing to do is chop the mushrooms, previously washed. Then, chop the green onions into small pieces. Also, cut the tomato into small pieces. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Put the ground beef in a bowl and with a wooden spoon separate it. Add the tomato and stir with the help of a wooden spoon. Add the mushrooms with the green onions and mix. Add salt to taste and also the dressing of preference. I am using aliño completo and is a condiment that has a mixture of spices: oregano, garlic, cumin, pepper, coriander, and salt. Stir again. Add a little oil to an oven-safe dish where we will roast the meat. Put the mixture into the oven-safe dish and give it the shape that you want. I prefer the shape of a roll. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Enjoy! If you liked this recipe, hit the like button below and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.